Hello. Thank you for joining me once again. Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Mimimbam. Thank you for coming all over again. Thank you for my new and old subscribers. Thank you so much. Gradually, we are going. Thank you so much. I'm here once again with another bomb. Thank you. This message is for my guys in the UAE. You know, I always got your back. All the hardworking guys in the UAE. This message is for you. Okay, thank you. Please, this message is not 100%. Okay, it is just my opinion. Okay, if it doesn't resonate with you, no need for insult. Just listen or you waka pass. Thank you. Okay, my guys. I have three major things you should consider or you should put into consideration before bringing a woman to join you in the UAE. Me will not yet tomorrow say I'll spend all my hard-earned money to bring this guy in the UAE. You don't can abandon me. Okay? Shine your eye. Shine your eye. Okay? Thank you. Okay, what you should consider before bringing a girl to the UAE. Number one, honesty. Honesty about what? Honesty about, be honest to yourself and to the girl. Honesty about your living condition in the UAE. Your living condition and your job description in the UAE. What do I mean by that? I mean, don't give an impression to the girl. Give her impression to think that you are living a luxurious life, you are living in a mansion in the UAE, whereas me and you know say you dey stay for bed space. No give the girl the impression say they earn 800,000 for 1 month, whereas maybe they earn 100 or 250,000 for 1 month. Because speak the truth. Be honest to yourself and to the person you claim to love that you want to spend the rest of your life with, so that she will not have high expectations when she's coming to meet you here. Okay? Let her know the truth and let her love you for who you are. Thank you. Okay, another thing you should also put into consideration before bringing a woman back home to join you in the UAE. Okay, try to, especially this one, go to the guys who had a relationship with girls back home before coming to the UAE. What you should shine your eye to is her reaction, her treatment, the way she was treating you before and after you have traveled to the UAE. How was she treating you? How was she, like, was she a respectful woman? Was she giving you the love and attention you deserve? How was she treating the people around you? How was her attitude towards your friends, your family members, and people around you? How was she treating you in particular? Was she a submissive and respectful woman? You have to consider that. And how is her attitude after you must have traveled to the UAE? Those are the things you have to consider. For example, be with girl even when you be there Cameroon, now you be the first the relationship, now you be the child for the first time. She was not giving you the attention that you need, the time that you need for the relationship. She was respectful to you and maybe some of your relatives or all of your relatives or your friends around you. Was she that kind of a person? Was she someone that you guys could talk together and stuff like that? You have to consider things like this before bringing someone to UAE or any other country to join you to work. Okay, another thing you should consider is her reaction after. Before and after you must have told her your intention of bringing her to the UAE. You understand? Yes. The reaction between the way she was treating you when you were still in Cameroon before moving over to the UAE, you also have to pay close attention to that. Then another close attention is her reaction towards you before and after you must have told her or informed her of your intention of bringing her over to the UAE. For example, if she was she's that type of a person, that kind of woman where maybe he like keep late nights, Maybe she's that kind of fun, outgoing person. Maybe it gets a group of friends or a friend where you work out the way you know like maybe you don't even try to tell you so you know like the late night where they keep she does not like long communication with you. She does not like video calls all the time, like stuff like that. And then she keeps late night. Even when you tell her you don't like when she keeps late night, she still keep late night and apologize after. And then maybe you don't like her friendship with some certain people, or her style of dressing, or the way she behaves when she's around certain people. Maybe they go out clubbing and stuff like that. You don't like it, but she still do it and tell you and apologize later. And then all of a sudden you notice that you immediately you informed her about your intention of bringing her to the UAE, to the extent that maybe you help her to even secure a passport already, and she see how serious you are about bringing her to the UAE. All of a sudden, Madam changed. She become very humble, nice, start being nice to the people she used to disrespect about around you, like your friends, your family member. Maybe she start being nice to them. Maybe she start like being humble to them. Start to go hard, go help mommy sweep. Start to go hard, go cook, and then you want to be 7 o'clock on the dot, madam they ask. Many night call your video call. Many night call your video call. Red flag. Red flag. Person will be like for the talk with you all the time. Now you want to talk with you all the sudden all the time. You want to call in for video call. Red flag. Another thing, what you should consider most for me, that is for me, that is the most dangerous. A girl that ever cheated on you once, or a girl that ever cheated on you when you guys were still back home, she has cheated on you. I don't mean say you suspect you. I mean say she has cheated on you and you know it. She has cheated on you once and asked for forgiveness. Probability they say, oh boy, if that girl if she cheat on you with the Cameroon, imagine what she will do when she comes to the UAE and see people who are better than you. You don't bat. That is the most dangerous to me. If I have a brother, I will tell my brother. I will not allow my brother to bring a cheating girlfriend, to spend his money on a cheating girlfriend to bring to the UAE. Do that at your own risk. To me, I don't believe that when people cheat, they can change. To me, I know that a cheat will always be a cheat. Thank you. All right. And then this one, my boys. Boys, sis. How many times have I call you people? Before you do want bring woman for UAE, I beg make sure say you don't stop all your corner relationship there for all those your corner fucking partners them for backside for front all that small. Make sure say you don't settle with them, you don't finish with them completely peacefully. You are now a single free man. Me time no reach now, you don't go bring my picky face, start work at the lie, they hide, they go off the canna, start the bombs on lie then. You start the taxi on the work now 60 hours, we don't close work since 8 hours ago. Make sure say you don't close that site, okay? Yes. Clean and clear all the fucking panels before bringing your baby girl to the UAE. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.